Most businesses only use 10% of Tally ERP. Here are 15 automations you can build yourself, with no coding or technical knowledge. When an invoice is created in Tally, send it to the customer on WhatsApp automatically. When a payment due date is near in Tally, send payment reminders automatically. When a payment is received in Tally, send a payment confirmation to the customer instantly. When a payment comes in, notify the sales team on Slack or MS Teams instantly. When dispatch details are added in Tally, send tracking details to the customer on WhatsApp. With Tally and viaSocket, you can automate a lot more. Here are some of the most powerful use cases. When an invoice is created in Tally, move the CRM deal to one automatically. When a partial payment is received, send the updated balance to the customer automatically. Every month, send ledger statements to all customers automatically. When an invoice is created, update Google Sheets automatically for live reporting. When a credit note is created, send it to the customer with GST details. During GST filing time, send ledger confirmation requests automatically using Tally data. When an order is delivered, send a review request to the customer automatically. When a debit note is created, notify the procurement team automatically. At year-end, send payment reminders automatically for all pending dues from Tally. And the best part? Every workflow you just saw is simple to build and ready in minutes with viaSocket. From invoicing to dispatch alerts to team updates, every workflow runs automatically in the background. Now connect Tally with 2,200 plus apps and automate your work with viaSocket. Pick the use case that fits your business from the description below. The viaSocket link, the full use case list, and the setup steps are all there. Start building in minutes with viaSocket.